So in this video, I wanted to show you how to crop images directly inside of WordPress. WordPress has a nice little interface for doing simple image edits like cropping images or scaling images. Now, I've got this image placed in here with the Visual Composer, which is how the majority of the pages on the site are built, or with the Visual Composer. And what I want to do actually here with this picture is, let's say I just want, instead of this whole picture, let's say I just wanted this couch area here. I didn't want the rest of the picture. So I'm going to go ahead and come in here to the dashboard and then come over to Media. And this is going to take me to the Media library. And you're going to see the last picture that I have right here is the red couch on white interior wall. I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to come down here, and directly below the picture I see some areas down here, one for some SEO stuff for the image, and then I can put a caption and an alternative text and a description of the image. But right below the image, there's this little button that says Edit Image. And when I click on that, that's going to take me into this interface. Now, at first, it's not exactly clear what I do to crop an image. WordPress has actually made this extremely easy to do. What I want to do is I want to come over to the area on the image that I want to crop, and I'm just going to click, hold, and crop, and bring this little box down to where I want it on the image. And then I'm going to come right over here to this little area. When I click over it, it says crop, and I'm going to click that, and it's going to crop the image. And then once I've done that, I'm going to click Save. So let's go through that again. Okay, I've come in here to in the dashboard. I've come into the dashboard, and I've come over to the Media library. I can click here on Media, or I can come out and click on Library. It takes me to the same place. Then I found the photo in the Media library that I want to edit, and I've clicked on it to open it up. Then directly below the photo is an Edit Image button. I click on that to go to the image editor, and then since I'm going to crop the photo, I'm just going to select the area of the image that I want to crop and just begin to click, hold, and pull and adjust this area to how I want it. Once I get it to how I want it, I'm going to come up here, click Crop. That's going to crop the image. And then I'm going to click Save. And remember, crop will only become active when I have something to crop. You're going to notice that when I have something to crop, crop becomes active. Otherwise, it doesn't. So I'm going to click Cancel, click OK, and you're going to see I click Cancel. I'm going to go right back to the way it was before. I haven't made any changes because I haven't saved those changes. So remember, when you do edit the image and you come over here, you click, hold, you crop what you want. Remember, once you've done that, and once you have clicked crop over here, that crops it, but you now have to save it. And once you click Save, now that saves that photo, and it saves the changes that you've done to that. It makes it, and now you'll see that it's saved. So let's come out here and refresh the page and see what happens. Boom. There we go. We have our new photo in place. This is a full-size image of the photo, so it's putting the full-size image of the photo in there. It's put it in place, and it's reflecting the fact that we have cropped everything out just except this portion right here. Now, as you can see, this image is 619 by 326 pixels. If I wanted that to be, let's say I wanted that image to be half that size. So I can just come over here, and I can just say I want it to be 300 pixels, and you'll see it automatically calculates over here. So I don't need to pre-calculate that. Just say that. I can click Scale. It's going to scale it, and once again, once I've scaled that, I do need to go ahead and update the file. And there we go. Now we have our scaled file. Refresh. And we'll see reflected out here already, our file is scaled. So do remember, when you make these changes to the core file out here, that they will instantaneously be reflected out here in the front of the site. Do remember that. And everywhere that this photo is placed, it's going to reflect that up here in the front. So if you have a photo on several pages and you want to edit just the photo on one page, you're going to want to re-upload that photo. Place that photo into that page and then edit that photo, or edit that photo, upload it, and place it into the page, either one. But you're going to want to place a copy of that photo in there and edit it, because if you do use it in more than one place and you edit the photo in the Media library, it will reflect that throughout the entire site. So anyway, that is how you crop and edit photos in WordPress.